one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic.
I see a swan moving over the water with a quiet strength and a striking beauty. You have been through deep waters. Your confidence has been tested. But the Lord is restoring dignity and grace. He's restoring inner strength. The Lord says, I am releasing my grace and my strength in you. I'm restoring beauty where life has felt heavy. I'm bringing you forward with a new awareness of who you are in me. Do not shrink back, but know that I am with you. I am the one who is moving you forward. I am the one who is making you whole and new. I'm showing you your true identity, who you are in me. For I am the Lord who has made you new and whole. Don't fear, don't be afraid, but draw into my presence, draw close to me. For I am showing and revealing my love to you in new ways. Move forward with your head lifted up, for I am the one who is restoring dignity to you, the one who is making you whole and new.
To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.